As the PA state budget impasse drags on, social services are struggling without funding. Among those, crisis centers that assist survivors of abuse and violence. Fox 43's Kyle Ennis looks into the impact of long-term budget constraints.
Critical resources for survivors may disappear as the PA state budget still is in limbo.
You go through a bunch of what-if scenarios. What if I cannot provide what is needed? What if I'm missing a critical link here and someone falls through the cracks?
PCAR, the Pennsylvania Coalition to Advance Respect, has nearly 50 locations around the Commonwealth to provide resources to victims of sexual violence. They say that nearly 28,000 people each year receive aid from these services. One of those locations strained for resources is the YWCA in York.
We have had to reduce our staff. When we reduce our staff, we reduce the number of people that are available in the community for those that are suffering.
The coalition requested an $8 million increase to their $11.9 million budget this year, a budget which has not increased since 2021. While the state loaned PCAR a portion of the funds from the existing budget, those funds only covered expenses through September. The YWCA is eliminating community education and preventative services programs aimed to raise awareness and reduce the risk of these crimes.
They allow people to know that we are out there. Without that community education awareness piece, there may not be people that know to call the hotline.
In a statement, PCAR's Joyce Lukema says, quote, "Despite these challenges, centers continue to show extraordinary commitment to survivors and their communities. But that commitment cannot replace the urgent need for action." The operating costs of the statewide program and for its locations have drastically risen in the past half-decade. But YWCA says their impact is vital, even as they are spread thin on resources.
Discuss with us, maybe meet with some survivors and realize what the impact that these services have had on their lives.
Kyle Ennis, Fox 43 News.
More information on resources for sexual violence can be found on our website, fox43.com.